Today, you'll learn how you can use keywords everywhere on YouTube to do your keyword research and your competitive analysis to help you record and publish the best YouTube videos to help grow your channel. So let's get started. Okay, using keywords everywhere on YouTube is very simple and straightforward. So to start, you need to have the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, and go to YouTube and simply do a search. So I searched for how to lose weight fast, and immediately you'll see some keyword level data for my search term right below it. Okay, so you can see the monthly search volume, the average cost per click, the competition score, and the search trends over the past 12 months. And if you click on this star, you can add this keyword to your favorites list. All right. A couple things to note is that this keyword level data is only available if you've purchased credits from Keywords Everywhere, and this data is specific to the country that you have selected. So right now, I did select the United States as my country, but you can change it to any available country right here, or even select global to view the data from a global perspective. I'm going to keep it as the United States. And if you click on the search bar, you of course see the usual suggested or related keywords from YouTube that appear right here. And then you can also see the keyword level data for all of these suggested keywords. Now again, all of this keyword level data is only available if you've purchased credits from Keywords Everywhere and is specific to the country that you have selected. I'm going to exit out of that. Now on this main search page, there are a handful of very helpful widgets on the right. Right? So the first one is this button. And if you click on this button, Keywords Everywhere will find YouTube keywords for my search term, how to lose weight fast, for the US, okay? If you click on that button, this new tab will appear, and you can see a list of, 765 keywords related around how to lose weight fast, all right? So you can see the monthly search volume for all of these keywords, the cost per click, competition, the trend over the past 12 months, and even the trending percentage. And again, this data is only for the US, and this data is only available if you've purchased credits from Keywords Everywhere. You can select any keyword by starring them. Say for example, you see some here that have good search volume and you want to star them, and these ones will be saved to your favorites list. You can even filter as well. So say for example, I only want to look at keywords between search volume of 100 and 1000, right? So Keywords Everywhere will filter and only show me the keywords between 100 and 1000 search volume, all right? And another thing is this top right checkbox right here. You can only show the keywords if you select this. It'll only show the strict exact match, okay? So that basically means the keywords here must have this phrase exactly as it's shown, okay? If you click on this, you can see, right? So if you've used Google Ads before, this is kind of like phrase match, where that phrase is exact within the keyword, and then you see, before or after additional keyword modifiers. All right, if I uncheck it, you can see it's a little bit more broad, as you can see. All right, so a really helpful tool to do your keyword research on YouTube. And you can export this data by copying this, pasting it on maybe a Google spreadsheet. You can export it as an Excel file, CSV, PDF, or even print this table right here. Okay, now let's go back to YouTube. And I want to show you this second widget. So this second widget is free. So even free users have access to the data within this Search Insights widget. Okay, so this one kind of gives you more of a competitive analysis of all of these ranking videos. So this is the table or the widget that you would look at to do competitive analysis on YouTube. So for this search term, the ranking difficulty is out of 100, and it's 71. So that's pretty high, all right? So that basically tells you how difficult it could be for your video to rank for this search query, okay? You can see the search volume here, and this is the top channel. So this basically tells you how many videos this top channel has. So this is the top channel with 2 videos that is targeting how to lose weight fast, all right, this search query. And you can see the maximum views, right? The video with the maximum views has around 15 million. And then the average views for these ranking videos, the average age, and you can even see how many videos have the keywords in the title and how many videos have the keyword in the description. So a really great way to determine whether or not you should be adding this keyword in maybe the title and the description of your video. You can even see if any of the ranking videos were added in the last 7 days or even 6 weeks. And you can even see how many are verified channels. You can export this data by copying it, or we can export it as a CSV. And then this link right here, detailed breakdown, I really like this because this shows you a breakdown of all the ranking videos. You can see the title, the channel name, how many views each video has received, how old they are, whether or not the keyword, your search term, how to lose weight fast, is in the title, description, whether or not it's added in the last 7 days, 6 weeks, the ranking difficulty. I really like this one because if you click on the ranking difficulty, it tells you how the ranking score was calculated, okay? So you can see, the engagement, video details, keyword optimization, so on and so forth. And then you can see, the total subscribers, engagement score, views per day, and then the SEO score, which I think is a really helpful score to look at as well. So if you click on the SEO score, it'll tell you how that score was calculated. So you want to make sure your SEO score is as high as possible. Try to aim for 100 if you can. Now let's go back to YouTube. And then this third widget, now this one is a very interesting one too, because this one is the YouTube trend data over the past, all time, 5 years. You can select any date range. So this red line graph is available to free and paid users, but the search volume is only available to people who purchase credits. So if you're a paid user, and then you can copy this, and then you can export this as a CSV. Now this is helpful to determine whether or not, your search term has been trending, upwards or downwards. For this particular keyword, it's kind of been trending downward, right, since May of last year. So you can decide whether or not this is a good keyword to record a video around, right? And then the next widget is the most used tags. So this one is a very helpful widget to determine what kind of tags to add to your video. So this list of tags are the most used tags from all of these ranking videos, all right? So this list of tags is available for everyone, but the search volume, the trend is available for people who have purchased credits, all right? So you can see the search volume. So this is the Google search volume, okay? And then you can favorite these as you wish to save them to your favorites list. And then you can even see the usage. So how many times, how many videos use these tags, all right? And then the last widget is the related keywords. So this is a widget to look at to determine if there are other keywords, related keywords that you can create videos around, okay? So maybe how to lose weight fast without exercise. That could be a new YouTube video to record, right? Because the search volume is over 12,000. And then the second one, how to lose weight fast for teenagers. If that fits your channel, you can possibly think about recording a video around this keyword because it has pretty high search volume at a little over 8,000, right? So a really great widget to look at to find related keywords to record videos around. Now, you can even go a little bit deeper by video specific. Now, before I show you how to do competitive analysis for specific videos, you can see these elements right here, okay? Below the title, you can see how many subscribers this channel has, the engagement score, videos per day, the SEO score as well. So if you hover over any of these elements, you can see, right, how many subscribers this channel has, engagement score again, views per day, and then the SEO score tells you how the SEO score is calculated. All right, so really quick and easy way to do competitive analysis within the search page. Now, if you click on any of these videos, all right, you can see the specific data for the video. All right, so I clicked on the first one, and then the first widget on the top right is the video insights specifically for this video. Okay, so you can see the optimization score, the engagement score, so on and so forth. You can see, how popular this channel is, where this channel is based, right? So on and so forth. And then the second widget is this tags. So I really like looking at this widget because you can see exactly which tags this video used. So if you are wanting to compete with this video, maybe you can go through this and make sure you have these tags added to your video. And again, you can star these to save all of these tags to your favorites list within Keywords Everywhere. And you can look at the search volume, cost per click, competition, and trend over the past 12 months. Now, this data is only available if you've purchased credits from Keywords Everywhere, but the tags themselves are free for everyone. And let's see what else. And let's click on the Keywords Everywhere extension. And if you click on My Favorite Keywords, now throughout this video, I've been kind of starring a lot of the keywords, and then you can see, all the keywords added right here, okay? And that's really the gist of how you can do keyword research on YouTube and do a competitive analysis on YouTube as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to learn more about Keywords Everywhere, feel free to click any of the videos on the screen. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.